Because the reality, let me know if you guys feel the same, but my mom is driving me f***ing crazy. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my night routine in quarantine, of course. It's almost 6 o'clock now. It's been a really productive day so far. I woke up the latest I have in quarantine yet. I woke up at 9:30 today and I was like, oh my goodness. But I had a really great workout. I've been working on one of my final projects and my final research paper for my politics class. Just a lot of like busy work. Today was just a really busy day, so I'm excited to just kind of have like a chill evening. This is gonna sound crazy, but I'm really glad actually I have some schoolwork to do. It's nice just to like see classmates and stuff on Zoom, be able to like talk to colleagues and professors and do some busy work. I don't know if I'm crazy for that, but that's just my opinion. I'm getting a little hungry now, but I want to put away my laundry and do like 20 more minutes of my paper, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and make some dinner. So cue the montage. So for dinner, I have this salad prepped that I made last night. So I'm going to take it out of this and then heat up some chicken. I'm not typically a romaine type gal, but sorry if you can hear talking. My family is inconsiderate of my filming. So I cut up some romaine and then I added cucumbers, tomatoes, and then the Violife Parmesan cheese. It's so good. It's very clean for a vegan cheese. There's no soy or any like crazy ingredients. I'm going to shake up some of this in my dressing. I have like a quarter of lemon and then some salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. I'm not really a fan of dressings in general. I prefer to just make my own because it's easier, you save money, it's just so much better for you. So this is dinner. It took me all of 2 minutes to make. So I'm gonna go eat this and relax a little. I'm back at my desk because I didn't really get to end the last clip because the reality of quarantine, let me know if you guys feel the same, but my mom is driving me fucking crazy. I had to just come eat in my room because she's screaming at me because she needs help with the Hulu on how to log in. And I'm like, Mom, it's already logged in. All you gotta do is press a button. If I ask for 2 minutes so I could film my clip in the kitchen, it's a problem. So this was really good though. Very refreshing. I'm even gonna go on a bike ride after this actually because I just kind of want to get some fresh air. What time is it? Okay, I'm gonna go on a bike ride in like a half an hour and I will see you guys then. Hello. That's not gonna work. So I just made 2 TikToks. Go follow me on TikTok. All of a sudden it got super cloudy and it dropped to like 20 degrees. So I'm definitely not gonna be going on a bike ride today or sitting on my roof and watching the sunset. But I usually do like one of those 2 things. My new thing is also going on my dock at night and like looking at the stars. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. I just like can't wait for summer, honestly. I did really good with my rings today on my Apple Watch. If you guys wanna like compete basically with like activity, let me know because I'd love to add some of you. So far today I have burned 804 calories and I have 92 minutes of exercise. I had a really great HIIT workout today like I told you guys, and then I walked for a little bit too, but I think I'm gonna go downstairs and make something sweet because I'm on my period and a bitch is craving some chocolate. If I don't have like my lemon bread in the house, which I don't right now, I just finished it yesterday, I will make a mug cake. It's keto because there's no sugar in it or carbs, so we love that. It's just like a protein mug cake. It's like moderately healthy, like especially if you're craving something sweet. So let's go downstairs and make that because what time is it? 6:41. I usually don't eat past 7 or 7:30ish because I wake up around then. So I like to eat as soon as I wake up. And for my digestive problems, I've been told that I should intermittent fast, but I can't do that. It just doesn't work for me. I'm supposed to leave 12 hours in between my last meal and my first meal in the morning. I'm not too strict on that. If I'm hungry, like later on in the night, I will eat, but I like to do that. And I notice a huge difference when I do that in my gut health. So let's go downstairs and make something sweet. Okay, real quick, these are the ingredients. 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of granulated sweetener. I use stevia, 1 large egg. I don't like the yolk, so I just do an egg white. 1/4 cup of milk. I used unsweetened almond milk too. I usually double the vanilla because I love that flavor. And then you top it with chocolate chips, but I like to cut up the HU squares. Sit down. Alright, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, the chocolate melts really nicely. So I'm gonna eat this before it gets cold, and I will check in a little bit. Took off my makeup. My face is nice and clean, so it's time to do a little skincare. I also just realized that in my last video I did a little bit of a skincare routine, so this might be a little repetitive, but I'll try and switch it up. So I just took my jade roller out of the fridge so it's nice and chilled. I'm gonna go in with 2 different serums: Tarte Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O one, and then the Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM. I love a good mixture of the both of them because this one's really hydrating, and then the Peter Thomas Roth one, I feel like, you know, this one just helps for anti-aging. A little bit of here. I also, you guys can probably see, I am a little red because I caved and waxed my eyebrows with the Sally Hansen waxing strips. I used to use them when I was younger. I started getting my eyebrows threaded years ago, and I always broke out from them, so I took the risk. And I usually break out from threading, but obviously like not as bad as the wax, and I broke out so badly. You guys, I absolutely love jade rolling my face. I don't know how people don't do it. Thankfully, my eyebrows do look good again, and they look like they finally have some like shape to them. Then I'm going in with my Target knockoff brand Clean and Clear Oil-Free Moisturizer. The same thing, so just use a little bit of this. I've been putting like so much on my face lately that like I hope that it's okay to do. And then I'm going in with my Vaseline on my under eyes. Oh, this is actually a little different from Friday's skincare because I've been doing Vaseline at night. It's super oily. I don't want my under eyes to be like oily during the daytime. And if you guys didn't hear in that video, I explained that I have been using Vaseline my under eyes because Lala Kent absolutely swears by it. I always said I was gonna do it, and I didn't start doing it until maybe like a month ago. This one's like a little lip therapy one, but I'm sure it's all the same shit, you know? And this one's the aloe one. Then I'm gonna go in, spray. This isn't a mini bottle, but it's the Mario Badista, not the rose water. What's the other one? The aloe and mint, maybe, I believe. I don't know. It's in this bottle because this is all I had left, and I didn't want to like carry the huge bottle around. So that's gonna be it for my skincare routine. Oh wait, I lied. Cannot forget, we have my Lashes MD. I have noticed a significant growth in my lashes lately, and I owe it all to this stuff. So it is, what time is it? 7:50. I am such a grandma, I'm aware. I'm gonna get into bed, watch a couple hours of Vanderpump Rules. Also, let me know what housewife series I should start next. I have not watched OC or Beverly Hills, so let me know in the comments below if I should watch OC or Beverly Hills first. I low-key want to watch Beverly Hills because Lisa Vanderpump, but I've heard amazing things about OC too. Quarantine is great because I can watch as much Bravo as I want with no judgment. I lit my candles. I'm gonna go put on some like PJ shorts and hop into bed. This lighting is so horrendous. So on that note, it's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your night routine is in the comments below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.